Hey folks, we're in the pickup camper today. I'm going to catch you up here in a moment on what's going on. It's a big project, lots going on. You're going to really enjoy this, so keep tuned. Alrighty folks, so I'm going to start off here with our Fluke meter. Thanks to Fluke for sending this to us to use, and we're going to use this for safety purposes, making sure that our wires are going to the right places. But just a quick thing here, got new LED lights. I got two of them here. These LED lights, one is going over the bed and one of them is going over the sink. Then we have these bigger ones here. They're double size. As you can see, I got two of them, one for over the kitchen table and one for over the main walkway through here in the middle of the camper. And then we have an exterior light here. Of course, all this is LED because we're going LED. Save on battery. And then we have new marker lights to replace the broken ones. And as you've seen, I already fixed the broken tail lights. So we're going to get to this today. It's a pretty simple project. There ain't much to it. Alrighty friends, so with a little bit of work here, I've got this down. It's a variant of 4 screws, this old light here. You pop the plastic cover off and you can see the screws. So pretty much what I've done here already is I've made sure I don't have any power. You can use your meter here to check for voltage. And I don't have any voltage coming into the camper through a battery or through 120 volt into the converter. So I do know that I don't have any power. So what you do is you pretty much just got to disconnect your wire nuts here. And then you just pull this off. Boom! Old light's gone. So now you have black wires and white wires. And in this system, we're just going to look at the new light. It's got the instructions right here. I don't know if we can see them, if it'll focus. Doesn't look like it's going to. But anyway, for a black and white wire system, it says black wire is your hot wire, your positive, white wire is your negative. It's pretty standard. You're going to take your wires here, pop these off. You're going to want to twist your wire like so. That's always important to do that. And then we're going to install this. Alrighty. So on the back here, it says that the camper system is black wire positive, white wire negative, which standardly it should be. Red wire is positive here, black wire is negative. So we're going to take our red wire here and our wire nut. We're going to use the original one here, and we're going to go with the way the wires are twisted that are in the camper wire harness. And then we're going to take our wire nut, our old one, because it's quite a bit bigger than the one that they sent us. And they have the wires doubled up here. So you just tighten this up real good. Like so, it's nice and tight. You give it a tug, it ain't coming loose. Then we take our other one here, and we're going to wrap it around the same way like the last one. Get that intermingled with the other copper wire there, our other wire nut, and we're going to tighten this up. This is, of course, a pretty simple process. Get that twisted on there good. And then all you got left is to put your wires back up in the hole they came out of. Just like so, gently, so you don't ruin your paneling. And then all that's left is to put your light back in however you want to. This one, I think I'm going to go this way so that the light switch is closer to the edge of the bed than in the middle. And finally here, I just want to say that the new screw holes did not line up with the old screw holes. So in this ceiling, it's just this panel here, which is plenty sufficient to attach the light to. You just want to make sure that you don't end up screwing into your wires. Just be careful of that. And then just push the screws. They'll start to screw in there and tighten them up. Be careful not to strip it, otherwise it won't hold on. But that's it. It's pretty simple, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe.